Hello YouTubes! Welcome back, Haunt Fam. So the black tree is up. I've got a couple more ornaments I picked out for the tree. These are store-bought. Earlier in the year I saw these come out at the Trick or Treat Studios. They actually had the Universal's Monsters license, and these things are awesome. So let's unbox these things, take a look at them, and throw them on the tree. Okay, YouTube, these are our Trick or Treat Studios Universal Monsters tree ornaments. I saw these things pop up earlier in the summertime, and I thought, oh man, they're so cool. If I can score me a black tree this year, I want to grab a couple of these things. Let's spin them around for you. We're going to unbox them and review them and see if they're worth the money. We got Gillman, who's my personal favorite. We got Phantom of the Opera. We got the Invisible Man, who's pretty awesome. And we've got Frankenstein. For some reason, Frankenstein's nice and clear for his little window. The rest all look like a dirty-ass fish tank. I don't know what's happening here, so I don't know. Let's unbox these things. Let's do Gillman for last because he's my fave. Let's go ahead and start with clear Frankenstein. We'll open them up. Already pop a little top on these guys and cut the little tape. So far, so good. Oh, okay. They come in a little... Oh, alright. So, nice box. Firm box. They come in a little blow-molded thing that kind of cradles them, so that's kind of cool. Frankenstein pops right out. Oh, he's all resin. He's heavy. I dig him, man. Look at that. And he's 360 degrees. He's got his little Trick or Treat Studios thing on the bottom. I don't know if you can even read that or not. Okay. But he looks pretty freaking awesome, man. He's got that nice palette green color. He's got a couple of staples in his head. He's got his little bolt. And he's a good weight, too. I really kind of dig him. He's got a little black ribbon, and he's got a little metal hook in his head to hang him on the tree. So, man, I mean, the detail is great. He's got a nice weight to him, too. He's got his droopy eyelids. This guy's a home run. Now, this guy was hard to find. I ended up having to pay 24 bucks on him on eBay. But, man, I think he's totally worth it. I mean, Frankenstein was one of those movies when I was a kid that sort of changed my life. That's what kind of made me from a little creepy kid to a creepy adult. So, I love me some Frankenstein. Man, this thing is really nice weight, beautiful paint. So, was it worth it? Oh, yeah. I'm going to have this guy for a lot of years. We'll set Frankenstein over here and go on to the next one. All right, Frankie, you chill out there. And then at the end of the year, you can just slide him back in here, pop him back in his case, and put him away. And that way nothing happens to him over the years, so I dig that too. So very nice packaging. Let's grab Chaney here with Phantom of the Opera and his little dirty fish tank glass. I don't know what's up with that. Alright. Now this guy and the Invisible Man I got for 21 bucks off eBay. Sometimes Trick or Treat Studios is out of stock or they're way more expensive. Oh wow, he looks great, man. Look at him. Sort of the same little thing like Frankenstein. Let's pop out and grab his tag. Come on, Lon. What are you doing? Alright. Again, man, he's got great weight to him. He's got his little Trick or Treat Studios badge on the back. Probably can't even see that, can you? Okay. Zoom in. Come on, camera, work with me. There we go. Alright, but look at that mug. Man, he looks great, man. That is awesome. What great detail, great weight. I really dig him. He's got nice paint. Like, man, you know, again, black ribbon. Just really creepy and cool, man. Phantom of the Opera is another great Universal Monsters movie I love. Haven't seen it in a lot of years, but man, this ornament is just killer, man. Real, just super nice, just like the Frankenstein one. So we'll set these guys here. Come on, Frankie. We'll set you back. Over. Alright, set you back here. And Lon. And again, nice little molded case. You can pop him back in here after Christmas and put him away. So far, super happy. Like I said, for the 21 bucks, he's totally worth it. I'll get a lot of years out of him. Let's pop up to Invisible Man next. Again, with another dirty fish tank window. I don't know what's up with that. Okay. Alright. Okay, super cool. Alright, again, we got to pop him out of his little case. And I could probably cut the tape and make it easier, but I don't think I will. Okay. Make sure I hook them so I don't drop them. Pull the butterfingers on camera. Alright, come on, camera, focus. What am I doing here? Okay, check them out, man. Nice and heavy. Again, just like the Frankenstein, like the Lon Chaney Jr. or Lon Chaney. Man, he's got his little head wraps. He's got nice paint. He's got his Trick or Treat Studios tag on the back. I mean, again, a great weight. He looks super cool, man. I mean, this is another movie I love. I love the model kit when I was a kid. I mean, that's an awesome ornament. And again, I got this guy for, I think, 21 bucks, and I had to find him on eBay. Got him free shipping. So I got him and I got Lon Chaney together. I mean, I think these guys are going to look awesome on the tree, man. I love this movie. He just descended into madness. It was great, man. Such a creepy movie as a kid. But beautiful, man. I mean, these Trick or Treat Studios, they did not disappoint. I mean, they've got some beautiful ornaments here. So we'll set him here. And last but not least, my favorite. Oh, man, you guys know. This is one of the movies that changed me as a kid. Frankenstein and Creature from the Black Lagoon. I love these movies to this day. I think they're awesome. That's what just makes you a monster kid. And this one I'm really looking forward to. This guy I got off Amazon, and I think I only paid $20 for him. So again, look at him, man. Oh, the Gillman is so awesome. Come on, cobwebs, don't fumble this guy. All right, Creature, get him over here. All right, check him out, man. Look at the detail on this guy. He's heavy just like the other ones. He's got his Trick or Treat Studios tag on the back. Can you see that or no? Let me see. Nothing's happening. Okay. Let's check him out in the front. Again, man, he looks awesome. God, he's just beautiful. Again, he's got a nice, beautiful weight to him. Come on, camera, let's see if we can get you in here a little bit. I mean, check him out. All his little sculpted individual gills and fins. I mean, he just looks amazing, man. Man, is he awesome. Guys, I am just thrilled with him, man. He looks great. And again, great weight to him. Can't complain. I'm super happy. Worth the 20 bucks. I'll have him for a ton of years and hang him on the tree every year. And then next, I think I've got one little wild card I want to throw in here. So I'm going to grab him. We'll be right back. Alright guys, while I was hunting around for these little cretins, I found me a Leatherface, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Boy, I was excited to see him, and he was quite the expensive one online. He was going for like $27, $28 on eBay. Some people had him for 35 bucks. So I found this guy, $19, free shipping. With taxes, he was like a little over 20 bucks. But man, another movie that I loved since I was a kid, 1973, Texas Chainsaw Massacre, Gunnar Hansen. Oh, look at this guy. He is so freaking cool. Not a universal monster, but man, he's going to be a great addition to the Black Creepy Tree this year. And he's got his little tag on the back as well. But man, again, just as beautiful, heavy, full resin ornament. Super cool, man. Great detail. And they've got a bunch of them. They've got the Wolfman. I hope they do the mummy. I really want a Boris Karloff mummy. That would be freaking awesome. So let's go hang these guys on a tree. And I want to show you guys one other thing that came in. I got a little delivery for the tree. We'll take a look at that next. Okay, YouTube. From the top of the tree to the bottom of the tree. Looky here. Check that out. I had a custom Krampus box made to frame the bottom of the tree. My buddy Robert makes these in his shop. That is completely CNC'd in there. And it comes apart like a bed frame. Look at that face, man. Look how awesome that Krampus is. Super cool. He usually does them for traditional. He puts your family name on there. Put your kids' names on there. I just love this thing. It frames in the black tree perfectly. And not only that, on the other side, it says Merry Krampus. How awesome is that? I will go ahead and link my buddy's Facebook page down below in the description if you guys want to get you some Krampus love or see some of his work, what he makes. He's a pretty talented guy, and I am just in love with this freaking box. So let's take a look at the ornaments on the tree, and then we're out of here. Okay, here we go. Okay, YouTubes. Here's the Phantom. Just awesome looking. And we got Frankenstein down below. Just chilling out down there in the branches. Okay, YouTube, here's the Invisible Man. He just looks awesome hanging out down there. They are heavy, they bend the branches down, so you might have to double loop the little lace. Alright, here's Leatherface. Hanging out next to the Headless Horseman. Just beautiful detail in him, man. Trick or Treat Studios really killed it with these ornaments. Alright, my personal favorite, the Gillman. Creature from the Black Lagoon. Okay, YouTubes, that's it. That's my unboxing review for the Trick or Treat Studios Universal Monsters ornaments. I think they're great, man. They're awesome quality. From, you know, the Phantom of the Opera to Frankenstein, Gillman, Invisible Man. I'm happy with them. I'm going to have them for a lot of years. I'm going to enjoy them. I'll pass them down to my kiddos. Are they worth the money? Absolutely. If you guys want to go find your own, you can look on the Trick or Treat Studios website if they still got them available. I looked in the aftermarket and found mine on eBay and some on Amazon. They're kind of scattered everywhere. And they have Chucky, they have Wolfman, they have Bride Chucky. They've got a ton more. So if you guys want some Trick or Treat Studios love, you just have to Google it and go find it. So until I see you guys again, keep it evil. Thanks for watching.
Krampus says be good little boys and girls.